We'll guide you through how to factory reset Windows 11. You can do this on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. We're guiding you through different ways depending upon your situation. Whether you're currently in Windows 11 right now or whether you can't go and get into it, we'll show you how you can do it in a recovery mode. So watch this full guide and you can go and see what way is going to work best for you. Just remember, when you go and factory reset it, we are going to be losing all of the files. Now, there is a way we can do this where you can keep your personal files, but the main way we're going to be focused on is removing them all. So do consider this, and what you may want to do is go and start backing up your files before doing this. So what you could do is go and back them up online into a cloud service like OneDrive, or alternatively, you could go and plug in an external drive, a SSD, an external hard drive or a USB, and go and put your files onto it. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and reset it. So make sure you've gone and backed it up, and let's go and get started. So what we need to do is you want to come onto it like so. So the first way we're going to be covering is when you're currently logged in, as I am. You want to come down to the bottom and you need to go and find the start button just here. You can go and click on it or press the Windows start key, and this will go and open up. Now in here, you need to go and find the option for settings. Goes and looks like this, and you need to go and click on it. Here we are. Now, what you need to do is you need to come over to the left and you need to go and find the option for system. This will go and load. Now in system, what we need to do is we need to go and scroll down, and we're looking for the option for recovery. So you want to come into here. This will go and load, and you need to come into recovery options, and you're going to go and find reset this PC. Choose to keep or remove your personal files and reinstall Windows. So this is going to go to factory resetted, and it's going to be like when you first got it with nothing on it from the factory. So you can come to the right and go and press reset PC, and we'll get a pop-up. As I said, you can go and keep your files. So this removes apps and settings, but keeps your personal files. But I want to do a full factory reset. So this is going to remove all your personal files, apps and settings, aka everything. So what you want to do is go and click on it. It'll go and say getting things ready. Now, what you can do here is you can go and we can choose how you want to go and reinstall Windows. You can do a cloud download. So this is going to go and download and reinstall the latest version, or you can go and reinstall Windows from this device. Just consider this. You are going to have to go and download Windows, so it does go and add to the time this will take. So I like to go and do a local reinstall, but I can see why you may want to do a cloud one. Let's press local reinstall. Now here we can go through the settings. So we're going to remove apps and files, and we're going to go and reinstall Windows from this device. Then we can go and press next, go and wait, and shortly it's going to go and take us to the final confirmation page. So then it'll then take us to this confirmation page here where it says resetting. It's going to remove all of the personal files and user accounts on this PC, remove any changes made to settings, remove any apps and programs that didn't come on this PC, and then reinstall Windows. So if you're sure, you can go and press reset in the bottom right, and the process will then go and begin. Go and be patient. Now I want to go and show you the second way. Now for the second way. So currently my computer is turned off and it's been shut down. So what we need to do is we need to go and get into the recovery mode. So this can go and vary what key you need to go and press to do this. So we do need to go and press a key while it goes and starts. So this can go and vary, as I said, and it will often go and say on the boot screen when it turns on what key you need to go and press to enter into the mode. On this device here, it's F11. So we're going to go and be pressing that down. But as I said, it can go and vary. So what you can always do is go and search up the manufacturer and the model and make to go and find this out. Otherwise, you can try doing the same key as us, and hopefully we can go and get into it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and turn it on, press the power button, and then as soon as that lights up, we're going to start pressing the key. And we're going to go and keep pressing it. And we're not going to stop until we go and see the screen. I can see the screen starting to go and turn on, and then it says please wait, and this means we've entered it. So go and wait now, and it's shortly going to go and load. You may have seen this screen before. It's known as Windows recovery mode, and here we are. So now it says choose an option. So what we need to do here is we're going to go and be troubleshooting it and resetting it. So press this. Then here it says reset this PC, lets you choose whether to keep or remove your personal files, and then reinstalls Windows. So click here. So what you can do is choose if you want to go and keep files, removes apps and settings, but keeps your personal files, or remove everything. I'm going to remove everything. Now, it's important to note that during this process, you are going to go and if you have BitLocker enabled on your computer, which goes and encrypts the drive, it's going to ask for the BitLocker key, and you'll need to go and get this key. It's going to guide you through how you can get it, but you can actually go and find it on your Microsoft account. It's going to go and give you a web address you can head to on another device, and then you can sign into that same Microsoft account you go and use on the computer here, and you can go and access that key. And you need that key for this because you're not currently logged in. So you can enter that. I don't have it enabled on this computer, but if I did, I'd need to go and enter it. I'll try and put a screenshot on the screen of what it goes and looks like. So it's a really straightforward process to go and do. So after you entered it in, we can then choose how you want to go and reset. You can do a cloud download or a local reinstall. So in this case, I like to do local reinstall. It just goes and saves having to go and download it, as it is 4 gigabytes of data. It can take a bit of time. So we'll do a local reinstall. Now it's just going to go and get things ready. So go and be patient, and we can go and confirm what's going to go and happen here. So at the moment it says, do you want to fully clean your drive? When you remove your files, you can also clean the drive so that files cannot be recovered easily. This is more secure, but takes much longer. So do this if you're keeping the PC. If you're going to go recycling, it says clean the drive fully. So I want a complete fresh start. So I'm going to go for clean the drive fully. Now it's getting things ready, and it won't take much longer. And then as you can see, it says, are you ready to reset this device? This can't be undone. Make sure the device is plugged in. You can see mine is. And then just make sure all files are going to be removed and accounts on this device. All changes are going to be removed, which will be made to settings. Apps and programs that didn't come with this PC will be removed, and Windows is going to go and be reinstalled. Make sure you fully understand that, and when you're ready, you can go and press reset. And that's it. Windows 11 will be factory reset. So there are 2 different ways you can go about it. If you found this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. If you've got any video suggestions, feel free to go and put them down below. I look forward to reading them and being able to help go and solve your next tech problem. Have a great day, and I'll catch you again soon. Goodbye for now.